Have you ever wondered how submarines manage to stay underwater for months without surfacing? Well, the secret lies in the marvel of nuclear technology. Imagine a city's worth of power condensed into a vessel gliding silently below the ocean's surface. These aren't your everyday submarines. We're talking about nuclear submarines here. These extraordinary machines can remain submerged for incredibly long durations, all while running complex systems and supporting a crew. This amazing feat is possible thanks to nuclear power. The advent of nuclear submarines marked a significant milestone in naval warfare. This technological leap didn't just happen overnight. It is a story that dates back to the tense times of the Cold War, a period that saw a rapid advancement in military technologies. The birth of nuclear submarines can be traced back to the 1940s, amidst the thick of the Cold War. The United States and the Soviet Union were in a relentless race, not just for global supremacy, but technological dominance. In this climate, the idea of a submarine powered by nuclear energy was conceived. The driving force behind this concept was a visionary naval officer named Hyman G. Rickover. Known as the father of the nuclear navy, Rickover was a man of exceptional foresight and determination. He saw the potential of nuclear power to revolutionize submarine warfare, and he was instrumental in making this vision a reality. Rickover's relentless pursuit of his vision led to the development of the first operational nuclear submarine, the USS Nautilus. Named after Captain Nemo's legendary submarine in Jules Verne's 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, the Nautilus was a marvel of engineering. Launched in January of 1954, the Nautilus was unlike any submarine before it. Powered by a nuclear reactor, this extraordinary vessel could stay submerged for months at a time, cruising at speeds that no conventional submarine could match. It was a game changer, a testament to human ingenuity, and a symbol of the power of nuclear energy. The Nautilus's maiden voyage was nothing short of revolutionary. On that journey, the Nautilus went where no submarine had gone before, cruising beneath the North Pole, a feat previously thought impossible. This historic journey underscored the power and potential of nuclear submarines. The USS Nautilus revolutionized naval warfare, allowing submarines to operate underwater for longer periods and at higher speeds. This marked the dawn of a new era, an era of nuclear submarines, forever changing the landscape of naval warfare. The story of nuclear submarines is a testament to human innovation and the relentless pursuit of progress. It's a story of how the depths of the ocean became a new frontier for exploration and strategic advantage. At the heart of a nuclear submarine is its nuclear reactor. This statement is no exaggeration. At the core of these underwater leviathans lies a marvel of modern engineering. A nuclear reactor, a powerhouse that unlocks the energy stored within atoms. Atoms, you see, are a bit like miniature solar systems. At the center, a nucleus, and around it, electrons in constant motion. The nucleus itself is a bundle of protons and neutrons, and it's here in this tiny heart of an atom that nuclear power is born. Now imagine taking an atom of uranium, a heavy, dense element. If you hit this atom's nucleus with a neutron, it splits, releasing a tremendous amount of energy in a process known as nuclear fission. This energy heats up water, transforming it into steam. The steam then drives turbines, which in turn power the submarine's engines and onboard systems. But the magic of nuclear power doesn't stop there. It also gives these submarines an edge over their conventionally powered counterparts. Traditional submarines rely on batteries or diesel engines, which require frequent surfacing for air and refueling. And while surfacing, they become vulnerable to detection and attack. Nuclear submarines, on the other hand, are a different breed altogether. The nuclear reactor generates electricity for propulsion, life support systems, and onboard equipment without needing oxygen. This means a nuclear submarine can stay submerged for months on end, limited only by the crew's food supply. It's akin to giving a cheetah the endurance of a camel, making the nuclear submarine a true master of the deep. The advantages of nuclear power extend to speed as well. With an almost inexhaustible supply of energy at their disposal, nuclear submarines can maintain high speeds for prolonged periods, outpacing and outlasting any potential adversary. Nuclear power provides submarines with unparalleled endurance and speed, making them formidable assets in naval warfare. This, in essence, is the power of the atom. harnessed for the stealth and might of a nuclear submarine. Imagine living under the sea for months on end. Now let's delve into the intricacies of life aboard a nuclear submarine. It's an existence that requires a unique blend of adaptability, resilience, and a bit of audacity. Aboard these underwater behemoths, the concept of day and night blurs, with artificial light and strict schedules maintaining a semblance of normalcy. The crew lives in close quarters, each nook and cranny designed with precision to maximize space. There's a place for everything, and everything is in its place, from the control room's high-tech equipment to the compact sleeping bunks. And then there's the food. With no fresh produce or sunlight for months, meal planning becomes an exercise in creativity and resourcefulness. The chefs on board are culinary magicians, conjuring up varied and nutritious meals from canned, dried, and vacuum-sealed ingredients. The submarine's nuclear power not only propels it through the depths, but also provides the electricity for life support systems, including air purification and water desalination. The air you breathe and the water you drink on board are products of ingenious engineering, recycling, and purifying over and over again to sustain life in this enclosed ecosystem. Living in this self-contained world under the sea, the crew must also contend with the psychological challenges of isolation and confined spaces. Submariners cultivate a strong sense of camaraderie, their shared experiences and mutual reliance, forging bonds as deep as the ocean they traverse. Training and drills keep them sharp, ready to respond to any emergency: fire, flooding, or a malfunctioning nuclear reactor. These men and women are prepared to tackle it all. And let's not forget the silence, the quiet hum of the submarine as it glides through the darkened depths, undetected and undeterred. This silence is both a shield and a companion, a constant reminder of the stealthy mission they're part of. Despite the challenges, life aboard a nuclear submarine is a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. It's an existence far removed from the world above, yet it's a world all its own, a testament to what we can achieve when we dare to venture beyond the boundaries of the known. Nuclear submarines play a critical role in naval warfare. These silent giants of the deep blue sea are not just about power and propulsion. Rather, they serve as strategic tools in the grand chessboard of geopolitics. Let's dive into their role in deterrence first. The mere existence of nuclear submarines is often enough to keep potential adversaries at bay. These underwater behemoths can stay submerged for months, even years, making them virtually undetectable. This anonymity allows them to lurk in the depths, ready to launch a devastating counterattack if their homeland is threatened. They serve as a potent reminder that aggression will be met with a swift and powerful response. Moving on, nuclear submarines also excel in the field of intelligence gathering. Their stealth capabilities, coupled with advanced sonar systems, make them perfect for reconnaissance missions. They can silently patrol enemy coastlines, monitoring communications and movements without detection. In the shadowy world of espionage and counterintelligence, they are the unseen eyes and ears. Lastly, we mustn't overlook their role in power projection. Nuclear submarines can transport special operations forces to any corner of the globe, often slipping past defenses unnoticed. They can launch cruise missiles against land targets, providing a formidable offensive capability. In this sense, they are an extension of a nation's power, able to exert influence far beyond its borders. But these roles are not isolated. They intertwine, creating a multi-layered strategy. Deterrence is bolstered by intelligence gathering, which in turn is enhanced by power projection. It's a symbiotic relationship, each role reinforcing the others, making the nuclear submarine an indispensable asset in naval warfare. So, while they may be out of sight, they should never be out of mind. These titans of the ocean depths are much more than technological marvels. They are strategic game changers, silent warriors that shape the balance of power in our world. Nuclear submarines are a vital part of a nation's naval capabilities, providing unmatched strategic advantages. What does the future hold for nuclear submarines? A question that stirs curiosity and excitement. As we dive into the future, we find a world of innovation and advancement in nuclear submarine technology. The future of nuclear submarines is being shaped by cutting-edge technologies and bold new strategies. One of the most promising advancements is the development of unmanned underwater vehicles. These drone-like submarines could carry out dangerous missions without putting human lives at risk. Imagine a nuclear submarine that can dive deeper, travel faster, and stay submerged for longer periods than ever before, all without a crew. Another significant development is the use of alternative power sources. While nuclear power has been the backbone of these underwater behemoths, researchers are exploring other renewable energy sources like hydrogen fuel cells. These could potentially extend the operational life of submarines and reduce their environmental impact. But the future of nuclear submarines isn't without its challenges. As technology advances, so does the complexity of these machines. The integration of new systems and technologies requires rigorous testing and validation to ensure safety and reliability. The potential for cyber attacks on these increasingly digital submarines adds another layer of risk. The balance between innovation and security will be a constant tug of war. However, these challenges also present opportunities. The need for advanced cybersecurity could lead to breakthroughs in encryption and data protection. The push for alternative energy sources could spur innovation in renewable energy technologies. And the development of unmanned submarines could revolutionize not only naval warfare but also deep-sea exploration and scientific research. In the end, the future of nuclear submarines is as deep and mysterious as the oceans they navigate. It's a journey of exploration and discovery, of challenge and opportunity. It's a future that is being shaped by human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. As technology evolves, so too will nuclear submarines, continuing to play a crucial role in naval warfare. Nuclear submarines have had a profound impact on the world. This statement might seem a bit grandiose, but when we delve deeper into the subject, it turns out to be an understatement. From the onset, nuclear submarines have been a game changer in the realm of global politics. They've essentially reshaped the geopolitical landscape, acting as deterrents against aggression and maintaining a delicate balance of power during the Cold War. Their ability to remain submerged for long periods, undetected while carrying nuclear weapons, has created a sense of unease, but also a strange form of stability. In this high-stakes game of hide-and-seek, the presence of nuclear submarines has arguably kept the global superpowers in check, preventing outright warfare. But it's not just politics that have been influenced. The environment, too, has felt the impact of these underwater behemoths. On one hand, nuclear submarines have raised environmental concerns due to the potential for radiation leakage, not to mention the disposal of decommissioned vessels. Yet they also present a paradox. Unlike their conventional counterparts, nuclear submarines don't emit greenhouse gases during operation, offering a glimpse into a potential future where naval power doesn't contribute to climate change. Technology as well has seen significant advancements thanks to nuclear submarines. The drive to create more efficient, safer, and stealthier vessels has spurred innovation in various fields, from nuclear power and propulsion systems to advanced sonar and stealth technologies. The ripple effect of these innovations has even reached civilian sectors, influencing everything from energy production to medical imaging. In short, nuclear submarines have been a catalyst for change, a force that has shaped and continues to shape our world in ways we might not always see. Whether it's the balance of power between nations, the health of our planet, or the advancement of technology, these underwater giants have left an indelible mark. The influence of nuclear submarines extends far beyond the confines of the ocean. Nuclear submarines are truly remarkable feats of engineering. This statement resonates all the more after our journey through the depths of this fascinating subject. We began by unraveling the deep-sea mystery, where the enigmatic world beneath the waves stirred human curiosity and inspired the birth of nuclear submarines. These marvels of human ingenuity, born out of a desire to explore, protect, and understand, are more than just vessels. They are symbols of our determination to push boundaries and venture into the unknown. The power of the atom, harnessed and contained within these massive machines, is awe-inspiring. It's a beacon of scientific achievement that has enabled submarines to dive deeper, travel farther, and remain submerged for longer than ever before. This nuclear power, while potent and volatile, is also a testament to our ability to control and manipulate the very building blocks of the universe for our purposes. Living underwater, in the belly of these nuclear leviathans, is a unique experience. It's a testament to our adaptability, our resilience, and our thirst for exploration. The men and women who serve on these vessels live in a world unlike any other, a world that is as challenging as it is rewarding. We also discussed the pivotal role that nuclear submarines play in our world today. From strategic deterrence to scientific exploration, these submarines have become an integral part of our global landscape. They bear witness to our world's conflicts, its peace, and its progress. And what of the future of nuclear submarines? As we look ahead, we see a world where these vessels will continue to evolve, becoming even more efficient, more powerful, and more integral to our lives. They will continue to chart the course of human progress, leading us into new waters and new discoveries. The impact of nuclear submarines is profound and far-reaching. They have shaped our world in ways that were once unimaginable. They have influenced policy, spurred scientific discovery, and redefined the limits of human endurance and ingenuity. So, as we conclude this deep dive into the world of nuclear submarines, let's take a moment to appreciate these incredible machines and the role they play in our world. Let's marvel at human ingenuity and the power of the atom. Let's recognize the bravery of those who live and work in these underwater behemoths. From the depths of the ocean, nuclear submarines continue to shape our world in ways we could never have imagined.